Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So what I have here is actually the F-91W-1, which is the original design of the F-91W. So what I'm going to do today is to change the strap. This is the ordinary resin strap with this genuine leather strap, which was taken from the MTP-1175 watch. So you can see here, this is the MTP-1175 now with the nylon strap, and the original strap is the leather here. So apart from that, I have a few watches that I have already changed the strap. This is the Casio Royale with genuine leather strap, which I ordered from Vietnam. And another one is the gold F-91W, which is now with the Milanese mesh bracelet. The tool that I'm using is this tool. It's a pin tool where you are going to use this to push the pin from the lug of the F-91, and this is a simple plastic tool just to push the pin into the lug hole. Okay, so the first thing, as always, as usual, you look at the position of the arrow. The arrow is pointing there, meaning that you have to push the pin from this direction, going that way, because the arrow is pointing that way. Okay, and the same goes with the other one here, pointing to my right. So we are going to push the pin out from this side. Okay, very simple. All right, so you just push it, and then there is it. Take it off, and we have done the top bracelet, sorry, the top band. And then the second one, referring to the arrow again, is, and there is it. Right, now we have done the removal of the original strap. Right, so the top will be the strap with the buckle will be on top here, and the other one will be below here. All right, but you have to refer to the position of the arrow. So the arrow is let me just put this so that will be easier to refer to. Now the arrow is going that way, to my right, so you have to put in the pin to the opposite direction of the arrow, making sure that the tapped point is the tapped pin point is the one that you are going to put in first. Okay, so just, and then slowly you must align it. You must align the leather strap with the lug hole, and then push it with your fingers first, with your thumb. Push it with your thumb, and then after that with this plastic tool. Then after that, give it a push, another push, up until you hear a click. All right, so I think it's securely fitted in. Okay, so we move to the second one. The second one is the same process. Put in the leather strap to the lug, and then refer to the position of the arrow. The arrow is going that way, so making sure that we are pointing our pin to the opposite direction, and the tapped side go first. Okay, align it properly and push the pin, and then using the plastic tool, okay, and give it a push, a little bit of push until you hear click. All right, so there you are, the humble F-91W-1 This is the original design of the F-91 watch, the iconic F-91 watch, with a genuine leather strap. Look at that. So let's try it on my 6.5 inch wrist. 1, 2, not bad, not bad at all. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. Bye.